Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Caleb and I like to make things. That's pretty much all you need to know. Today I'm going to be showcasing the Captain America, the first Avenger cosplay that I did a couple months ago. First off, this thing is very hot. But what we're going to be looking at first is the helmet. So the helmet is made fully out of EVA foam except for the strap right here and some fabric pieces that I just added some brown fabric. Basically what I did was I modified a couple of templates that I found online, like heavily modified, and then I just like put it on my head, saw if it fit and everything, and figured out the template, and then I just spray painted that blue with a Krylon Fusion paint. Link in the description for that. But yeah, I painted that all blue, and then I just added the A, then I added the fabric pieces and everything, and then added the strap. And yeah, that's pretty much the helmet. It's really simple. I'll link the templates in the description, but there is a video on that. I'll put it in the info cards up here somewhere. Not sure which side it's on, but I'll put that in there for you guys so you can go ahead and watch this video on the helmet. So yeah, it's pretty much the helmet. Pretty simple. So next, let's talk about the shield. This shield isn't actually the one that I used for this cosplay. If you go back a long time ago, one of my first videos, it actually is showing this shield, but a different type, since this one has like these squares and like a different design on the star and everything. But it is made essentially the same way. Basically, I domed some Foamcore, which is just like some hard. It's basically poster board with. It's basically 2 layers of poster board with some styrofoam sandwiched in between that, and it's quite thin. It's like a couple centimeters thick, I think. But yeah, so that's how I made this, and then I just masked it off, painted it, scored these lines in, and then added some EVA foam on the back. And the EVA foam is just this piece here, and then these little bracers right here. Then these things and like the other bracers, I fully 3D printed those on my Ender 3D printer. I'll link that in the description for you guys if I can even talk. I'm trying to talk fast, I don't know why. And I used some Hatchbox black PLA. Link in description. And then, yeah, pretty much just painted that silver. All the paint's in the description as well. And I added some, I added some leather straps here, which are pretty much just some old belts that I found at Goodwill. And yeah, that's the shield. Next, we're going to be talking about the gloves. So the gloves, these ones took a while, honestly. But what I did was I just traced my hand onto a paper. And then these are just extremely simple gloves. They're like welding gloves, I think, so you could probably just buy some, but obviously I wanted to make them because I like making things. But so the actual glove part is going to be light gray fabric, and it's just some poly cotton that I found at Walmart. And then this is going to be dark brown. Did I say light gray? I meant light brown. And yeah, it's that same fabric. I'll link it in the description for you guys. And then I just Velcroed a little strap for the wrist here. And then I just added a parachute buckle here, which it's supposed to be metal, if that can even get in the frame. And that's just there for the aesthetics of it. So yeah, those are the gloves. Pretty simple. And then I added a little bit of weathering here and there. Just a little dark brown on the light brown pieces and light brown on the dark brown pieces to weather it up. So let me get those off. Take off the other one here. What we're going to be going over next is the Bandolier, which basically is just an old belt and then a little pouch that I sewed together with some foam inside of there to give it some dimension and shape. So I just got the belt, cut it up, and then sewed this over the belt loops, or the belt holes there, or glued it on right there, and then added that little pouch there, here, which I sewed up a little pouch. It's really simple. I have a video on this. I'll put that in the card too as well. Yeah, that's this. Sorry, I'm not making a lot of sense, but what we're going to go over next is the belt. So, let me pull these pants up first. The button came undone, so a little loose. Okay, so the belt is made out of fabric almost solely except for the belt buckle, which is just made out of some Foamcore. Again, that material I was talking about. This, I pretty much just cut out a rectangle, and then I cut out some slots for it to fit in, for the belt to fit in. and then I just scored in the shapes and spray painted that silver. So that's that, and then I just added some EVA foam on the back to secure that a little bit better. And then for the belt, it's literally just a strip and then a bunch of pockets. So the pockets, the strip, make the pockets look like the ones in the movie if you can, and then I just added some foam inside of there to keep their shape, and then I added some foam on the back here to hold this together, give it a little bit of dimension. And yeah, then you just put a Velcro here, and there you go, that's the belt. Again, pretty simple stuff. Gosh, these pants are not staying up. Should have put some elastic or something. Yeah, we'll go to the pants after I talk about the vest. Okay, so the vest, pretty much what I did was I just got a shirt that I thought fit pretty nicely, and then I just, put some papers on it and traced that shirt out, and got half of it, only half because I could just go flip it over. So I got half of that, and then I just looked at some reference pictures and just got all the shapes. These ones specifically, and like this, and all the details here, and even some on the back, and then what I did is I just traced it all onto the fabric, sewed up this, and then I sewed the white, and then I just added some foam in here to give it like a ton of more dimension, because that's how it is in the movie. Then I went ahead and I added these straps, the shoulder things, these red things, and now all of these metal pieces here. Basically, I went to Goodwill and I just got like a ton of bags and stuff, and then I just cut off the little metal pieces and I just used them, as well as here, so you can see that's also a metal piece that I used. But yeah, these were all connected at one point, but they all got disconnected for some reason. I don't even know why, but probably because I hot glued them. But you can go look at the video of the vest here. I'll put it in the info cards. But yeah, so these shoulder things, basically I sewed them, and then I just put like some foam in here to get these shapes, and then I just sewed on top of it. This little star, it's just a red circle with the same red, and then a white with some white canvas that I used for this star, which I basically just cut out a star out of paper, traced it onto the fabric, and glued it on here. Then the back, I just cut out the shapes, and then, I cut it out right through the middle so I could add that zipper. It's a metal separating zipper. Make sure that it's separating or else it won't work, because if it's not separating, then you can't get it off. But yeah, that's pretty much the vest, except I want to mention one more thing. The little star here, if you watched the video that I just posted before, it is the Sam Wilson Captain America Cosplay showcase or whatever. If I linked the STL file for this star in the description, you guys can go ahead and use that for this. If I didn't completely disregard everything I just said, yeah, that's the vest. Let me just take that off now. Just get that off. It's a little unprofessional, but it's alright. Okay, once I get the zipper off, pretty much just comes all the way off. Yep, so that's the vest. And yeah, this little undershirt, basically, I just traced a long sleeve that I thought looked, fit me pretty nicely, and it did. Then I just traced out the paper, and basically the sleeves I made white, as you can see here. And then here I just cut it into 4 pieces, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. And then I just sewed that up, and then I sewed the sleeves, then I added the sleeves, and then basically, for the collar, I just got 2 strips of canvas. I just sewed those, flipped them inside out, and then top stitched it, and added Velcro here so it could go in. And then for this, I just added Velcro where a zipper would go. You can add a zipper in the front or the back, wherever you want to. I would recommend it actually, I just didn't want to buy a zipper, so yeah. Now, let's talk about the pants. Okay, so these are the pants. Basically what I did was I just got a pair of jeans that fit me pretty nicely. If you watched the other video, the Sam Wilson Captain America Cosplay Showcase, I'll link it in the info cards as well, so you can go ahead and watch that one. You could see the pair of jeans that I used. It's just some ripped jeans that were like really stretchy, so they fit really, really nicely. But these are the pants. Basically, I just traced those jeans onto the fabric. I got 4 pieces. And then I got the little belt piece right here, and then I added a zipper and a pin, or a button I mean. And yeah, they're a little short, but like actually quite short, but they would have been covered up if I actually wore some like the actual boots from the movie, because they go like knee high, so that would have been completely fine. So I guess they're the right length then, but This, I'm going to link the fabric in the description for you guys. If you want to use it, you can. You might want to go ahead and look for the same fabric, but not waterproof, because it kind of has a plastic coating, and it is really uncomfortable to wear. So use a different fabric with the same color, or use it if you want to. All the other fabrics are completely fine. I'll link them all in the description for you guys too. But yeah, these are the pants. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video or found it informative in any way, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and subscribe if you like my content and want to see more. Comment down below anything you'd like to see me make next. I will take that into consideration and try and make that for the next video. You guys just have to comment though, because yeah, then I'll make it. Just comment it. I'm already repeating myself, but I post videos every single Friday, and next Friday I'm not too sure on what I'm making. Maybe something you guys comment. If not, I'll just make something. I'm just not too sure at the moment, but on Friday you guys will see. Pretty sure it'll be amazing. Maybe Bucky's arm. Not too sure. Maybe Bucky's arm or something else, but yeah, that's just something that I had in mind. I had a couple of other things, but not gonna tell you guys yet. Yeah, just stay tuned next Friday. It'll be pretty awesome. You guys take it easy.